Then you clean the shock. You clean the shock in the gele. You clean it off. And when you put the plate in the styrofoam head, don't remove it until you finish this. Then you raise that cross line. You see this cross line, you raise it. Just put little hot gum. Try not to mess it up. Just put little hot gum, then gum it down. Then after gumming it, you see that cross line I gummed, then you sew it. You sew it under the plate. You should not show outside. You attach the two cross lines together, but hidden under the plate. It should not show outside. Then you sew it. Then you cut off the excess fabric inside. You see that front pleat, the excess inside, you cut it off. You see, you measure your elastic 3 centimeters this way, 3 centimeters the other way, and that's where you're going to put hot gum. You put hot gum there, then you gum it to your gele. You gum it to the scarf at the back. You follow that marked line, 3 centimeters. Or you can just measure it on your head, or if you are making it for somebody, you can measure it on their head, or you can measure it on your head, but I think this measurement fits all. Then after gumming, you sew it. After gumming, always sew it. I'm going to be covering the back of this gele. You just cover it the way I'm doing it now, but if you like, you can leave it open too. And you cover it like this. Systemize it. Just systemize it. Then you start to sew it. First you pick the scarf, then pass your needle through the cord. You hide your needle inside the cord. You hide your thread inside the cord. Then go up and pick the scarf. Hide your thread inside the scarf too. Then go down, pick the cord, hide your thread inside the cord. This is invisible stitch. I call it a hidden stitch. You just continue like that and just close everything, and this gele is ready. When you do your first gele, it might not be beautiful as mine, but you just continue to do it, then you just get better and better and better the more you do it. So this is it, guys. The gele is ready and it's beautiful and it's ready to be rocked. If you have any question, I'm always here for you.